Children, as you all are excited, and most of you are super excited, we know what is story. Yeah, everybody be quiet, please. Everybody be on mute. We all are aware about what is storytelling, but are we aware about what is puppet and puppetry? So let me brief you about puppetry. So kindly listen to me carefully. Puppetry is a form of theater or performance that involves the manipulation of puppets, inanimate objects, often resembling some type of person or animal figure, that are animated or manipulated by a human called puppeteer. Such a performance is also known as a puppet production. The script for a puppet production is called a puppet play. So today you're going to see an amalgamation of these both the skills, that storytelling and puppets, use of puppets. So now I request our three intelligent, smart, and very creative children, Adrian, Shaurya, and Harit, to take the session forward with the introduction, official introduction of the of the resource person. So over to you, Shaurya. I request all of you to remain quiet, all the children. Here we go, Shaurya.
Namaste everyone. This is Shaurya Nani from grade 2 along with my classmates Adrian Agrawal and Harit Chaudhary. Take this honor to introduce our resource person for this exciting session. We have in our midst Ms. Bharti Mohan, who is an educationist and a keen golfer. She holds a work experience of 26 years and has done a specialization in education management.
Adrian.
Yes, sir.
Please carry on.
Presently working with Delhi Public School as a teacher's trainer in ECE, Early Childhood Education, associated with the HRD Center of DPS Society for the last 10 years. She has been working towards the enhancement of the quality perspective in the field of ECE and trying to bring some reforms and innovations in the field of early education.
Thank you, Adrian. Harit, over to you.
We are extremely happy to have Miss Bharti Mohan today, and I welcome ma'am with our sweet staff. Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
With your exciting storytelling sessions using puppets.
Thank you, Harit. Thank you, Adrian, and thank you, Shaurya. Thank you for that lovely introduction. Yes, Bharti ma'am, now the floor is all yours.
All right. So are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Okay.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. I just need to check whether I'm visible or not. Okay. Am I visible?
No, ma'am.
To all?
Yes, ma'am. You're.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you're not.
So, here. Here we go. Chum chum
I
karta
request children
suraj.
to please pin on Bharti Mohan's name, and you'll see the screen. You'll be able to see Bharti ma'am. And I want you all to remain quiet unless ma'am asks you a question. And you can
Hi,
start your
ma'am.
questions or keep your questions for the last 10 minutes. We will allow you to ask your questions. So don't unmute unnecessarily. Thank you.
Yes, everybody please stay on mute. Then you'll be able to see Bharti ma'am on screen, okay?
Okay. Am I visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nobody will
Yes,
unmute.
ma'am. Yes,
I will say yes.
ma'am.
Chum chum karta suraj. Chim
Ma'am,
chim
I
karta
can't hear you. Ma'am, I can't see.
Okay, listen now. Just listen to ma'am. And if you're not able to hear, you can disconnect and reconnect. Okay. Don't disturb in the middle of the session. Please remain quiet, everyone.
Rebecca, I think I need to. One
And
second, just give me
pin on Bharti Mohan. Yes, children, namaste. Now, please don't unmute. Keep yourselves on mute and check under the participants. You will find the name Bharti Mohan, Bharti, and then pin on it. Then you will be able to see what ma'am is presenting. Now, don't unmute. And if ma'am asks any question, Greg sir will answer. You don't unmute and answer.
All right. Now, I hope I'm with that. You can and all? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so, cham cham karta suraj, chim chim karta tara, Bharti ma'am leke aayi जादू का पिटारा, खुल जा सिम सिम बोलो प्यारे, जोर से जैसे नारा, ऐसे मंत्र फूके जिससे खुल जाए पिटारा, जी हाँ, जादू का पिटारा. So what are we going to say? The magic words. खुल जा सिम सिम. And there, here we go. And what's there in Jadoo Ka Pitara today? Guess what? This is Mighty King. Puppet of a mighty king. Okay? Alright. Look at this king with the big mustaches and big eyes. Isn't it? Guess who could this be? Now, children, we all are going to be now knowing a bit more about somebody. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All right. Now, I'm going to take you to the world of puppetry. Okay. I'm going to introduce you to someone. Okay. Who's a very, very proud king. Okay. And here's this little girl who wants to go to Dashera ka Mela. Okay. चलो मैं आपको लेके चलती हूँ किसी से मिलाने के लिए. Now close your eyes. Here we go. अपनी मम्मा की लाडली है नंदिनी मेरा नाम. सुबह सवेरे उठ को सबको करती हूँ प्रणाम. बोलो हरे कृष्णा हरे राम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम. नमस्ते बच्चों, मेरा नाम नंदिनी है. और देखो मैं कितनी सुंदर लग रही हूँ. Look at my beautiful dress. Guess what? I'm going to attend the fair of Dashera. Yay! But Nandini, do you know due to pandemic, we cannot go for Dashera Mela. Then what do we do? Yes, I have an idea. You know what we can do? We can go for a puppet show. Yeah? And there we will get to see Ravana. Okay? All right. Okay. Now, I want you all to meet this king, the mighty king of Lanka. मैं लंका का राजा हूँ, मैं लंका का राजा हूँ. राजा हूँ, महाराजा हूँ, मैं लंका का राजा हूँ. ये सब मेरी जनता है, मैं इनका अन्नदाता हूँ. पर लंका मेरी जलती है तो मैं गुस्सा हो जाता हूँ. हा 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 हा. एंड मिली इनसे बच्चों, ये है राजा बड़े मत वाले,
रावण.
मोटी मूंछों वाले. रावण है इनका नाम और लंका इनका धाम. लंका की जनता सुबह उठ के इनको करती है प्रणाम. ओके, तो ये है राजा रावण. ओके, तो बच्चों अब हम लोग रावण के बारे में जानेंगे. रावण बुराई का प्रतीक होता है। हम सबके अंदर कुछ न कुछ अच्छा,
नमस्ते मैम।
नमस्ते बेटा, हम सबके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा और कुछ ना कुछ बुरा होता है ना, है ना। तो आज हम लोग जानेंगे हमारे अंदर क्या बुरा है, ठीक है। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेइंग अ पपेट शो फॉर यू व्हिच ग्रेग सर इज गोइंग टू प्ले। ओके, लेट्स गेट रेडी।
To interrupt you, we are not able to see you properly. Please adjust your camera, please.
Me,
Yes, now we can see. Yes.
me. Okay, 1 second, ma'am. Let me just.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me also. Oh, 1 second. Can you see me now?
Yes, ma'am. Better.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you put your camera a little down?
Okay, I'll take it a little down. Thanks for these suggestions, my little ones. 1 second. Yeah, can you see me now?
Yes, ma'am, but put a little to the left.
Okay.
Not ma'am.
Ma'am, you'll have to come in the center. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's better, ma'am.
All right.
Yes,
that's
ma'am,
better.
now it's okay.
All right. Could you see my Ravan, the mighty king of Lanka?
Yes, ma'am, I see it very good.
It's very beautiful, isn't it? He was a mighty king of Lanka. He was very proud. And he was a very nice man also. But he had a few things which were very bad about him. Okay? Now, we will know. Now it's time to welcome him. All of you come, close your eyes. We are going to welcome him. Greg sir is going to now play a video. Yes. Sir, let's welcome him.
Yes, ma'am. Amit, sir. Amit, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, kindly present the video. Children, you'll have to see the name marketing head.
अदब बामुलाइजा होशियार पधार रहे हैं राजाओं के राजा जो खाते हैं खाजा। चलो स्वागत करें इनका बजा के बैंड बाजा।
Ma'am, I don't see you.
Children, please fill on marketing head. You will get to see marketing head. I request parents to please help the children.
सरताजों का ताज, मैं हूँ बादशाह बेताज। हर शख्स करता है मेरी कदम बोसी, चाहे कमला का चाचा हो या विमला की मौसी।
कमला और बिमला कौन है राजा जी?
हर मानुष और हर जीव पर करता हूँ मैं राज। मैं था कल, मैं हूँगा कल और मैं ही तुम्हारा आज। जी हाँ, मैं हूँ खलनायक, हर युग का रावण। बच्चों, मन को दर्पण मानो, उसमें क्या है सच सच जानो, फिर तुम खुद रावण पहचानो। ये है तुम्हारे अंदर की बुराई, अपनी तुम्हारी नहीं पराई। मार के अपना रावण बन जाओ तुम पावन, कहलाओ जगभावन। रावण रावण रावण।
इस युग का रावण।
तिड़क छिड़क खिड़खुड़ खुम्बा इगली बिगली बायलाबू। समझ के तुम रख लो बच्चों, मैं एक डेडली वायरस हूँ। अच्छों का निकाल दिया मैंने रोना। नाम है मेरा करोना करोना कोरोना। मास्क और सैनिटाइजर की बढ़ा दी मैंने सेल। अरे मेरे आगे तो बड़े से बड़े डॉक्टर और साइंटिस्ट भी हो गए फेल। हाँ तो प्यारे दोस्तों, मिलिए इनसे। ये है रावण की कठपुतली, रावण की पपेट। इसे सूप की छलनी से बनाया गया है, ठीक है। और देखिए कोरोना, ये हमारी एक्सरसाइज की बॉल होती है ना, मसाज बॉल, और साथ में दस्ताना, इनसे बनाया गया है। रावण बुराई का प्रतीक होता है। इसे किसी धर्म से जोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है। हमारे अंदर, हमारे समाज में जो भी बुरा है वो रावण कहलाता है। हमारा काम क्या है? इस रावण को मारना और अपने समाज को, अपने आप को एक बेहतर इंसान, बेहतर समाज बनाना, है ना। ये रावण हर युग में आता है, कभी प्लास्टिक का रावण बनके, तो कभी प्रदूषण का रावण बनके, कभी कभी ये सोशल मीडिया का रावण भी बन जाता है ना। हमको अपनों से दूर कर देता है। इसलिए इस रावण पे विजय पाओ और अपने आप को बेहतर बनाओ। बाय बाय।
तो देखा बच्चों, मिले आप हमारे माइटी किंग रावण से, है ना। तो रावण बुराई का प्रतीक होता है। हमारे अंदर, हमारे बाहर, अपने आसपास जो भी बुरा है उसको रावण समझो। जैसे हम रावण के पुतले को जला देते हैं ना, खत्म कर देते हैं, वैसे ही हम हमारे अपने अंदर की बुराई, अपने बाहर जो भी खराब है उसको हमें खत्म करना होगा। ओके, जैसे कि मैंने बताया आपको, आजकल कोरोना है, कोरोना भी तो रावण ही है ना। तो रावण को हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा? खत्म करना होगा। हमें अपने आप को बचाना होगा, मास्क और सैनिटाइजर के साथ में। We must wash our hands regularly, isn't it? We are going to do that, no? Like good children. Apart from that, we also have to ensure that we are not on Facebook, on WhatsApp, or on screen watching video and TV all the time, because that Ravan is going to hurt our eyes, our neck, and our health. Okay? So, आप सब बहुत स्मार्ट बच्चे हो। अपने अंदर देखेंगे, ओके, अपने अंदर झांकेंगे। हमारे अंदर भी कुछ बुरा हो सकता है ना। हो सकता है मेरे अंदर हो कि मुझे स्वीट्स खाना बहुत पसंद है, हाँ, या हो सकता है मेरे को झूठ बोलना, कभी कभी मैं झूठ बोल देती हूँ, है ना। तो हमको उसे पहचानना होगा। वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई आवर ओन रावण and then we have to make sure that we kill that ravana. Okay? अपने आसपास देखोगे कितने सारे लोग प्लास्टिक यूज करते हैं, है ना। आपके टीचर्स ने आपको बताया होगा प्लास्टिक कितना बड़ा हजार्ड है एनवायरमेंट के लिए, है ना। तो हमको क्या करना होगा? प्लास्टिक की जगह क्लॉथ बैग यूज करना होगा, जूट बैग यूज करना होगा, प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स की जगह ग्लास बॉटल्स यूज करनी होंगी, है ना। कैरी योर ओन बॉटल फ्रॉम होम, fill it up. Okay, don't go for plastic bottles and don't throw away things. Okay, गंदगी जो हम फैलाते हैं वो भी तो रावण है ना, ठीक है। रावण को हमने एक रूप दिया है, लेकिन रावण की जो 10 हेड्स है ना, उसका मतलब 10 बुराइयां। ओके, हमको एक एक करके अपने अंदर की बुराइयों को खत्म करना होगा। ओके, तभी मनेगा हमारा दशहरा। और दशहरा के 20 दिन बाद पता है क्या आती है?
दिवाली।
यस, दिवाली। तो दिवाली दिवाली क्या होता है? मैं आंटी से बताती हूँ। ओके आंटी, ये है हमारी आंटी। ओके, आंटी's name is Miss Wise. Okay, आंटी, can you please tell me why are you so dressed up? नमस्ते बच्चों, मैं दिवाली के लिए इतनी तैयारी कर रही हूँ। देखो मेरी न्यू ड्रेस। आंटी, आप मेरे बच्चों को दिवाली के बारे में बताओगे क्या? Come little children, come to me and I will tell you what's Diwali. Let's light some lamps and eat some sweets, wear new clothes and be merry. आओ प्यारे बच्चों, तुम्हें बतलाओ क्या होती है दिवाली। मिठाई खाएं और दीप जलाए, नए कपड़े पहने और खुश हो जाए। पर आंटी, हम दिवाली मनाते क्यों हैं? Because Lord Ramachandra came back to Ayodhya after 14 years of his jungle stay. He killed demon king called Ravana, who took his wife Sita away. पर आंटी, सीता कहाँ है? ये रही सीता. Isn't it? Oh, auntie, but how do we celebrate Diwali? Let's light some lamps and eat some sweets. Distribute sweets and... No, I think I've forgotten. Auntie, let me recollect the song. Lamps are lit and houses decorated. Crackers are burst and sweets distributed. Wearing new clothes, happy and gay. These are a few things we do on this day. अरे वाह आंटी, क्या हमको क्रैकर्स बर्स्ट करने चाहिए? No. That's one thing people often do, but we must not do that because it's very bad for the environment. Do you realize? This is also one of the Ravanas. Okay. Thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you. So, बच्चों, देखो मिस वाइज ने कितना कुछ बताया आपको कि हमें क्या क्या करना है दिवाली के दिन. दिए जलाने हैं, घर को सजाना है, रंगोली बना सकते हैं और न्यू कपड़े पहनने हैं. बट क्रैकर्स बर्स्ट नहीं करने हैं. Okay? Because crackers will cause environmental pollution. And if we cause pollution, then that's another Ravana, isn't it? So we must kill the Ravanas inside us and outside, everywhere around us. Look for a Ravana and kill it. Okay? That's about our Ravana. And let me show you now our Lord Ramachandra.
Ma'am, please shift the puppets towards your right. Yeah. This is better. I think your camera is in landscape mode, so the camera is tilted to your left. So accordingly.
All right. Could you see the puppets, or I could just show them again? Miss Wise, could you show Miss Wise?
Ma'am, I can see the puppets.
So they are not seen fully. They are not in the center of the screen. They are at one end.
Hi.
This is Lord Ramachandra who came back.
Can't be seen fully. I think you have to move a little to your left. No.
Hi.
Yes, this is better.
Okay. This is Lord Ramachandra who came back to Ayodhya. Okay. And this is his brother Lakshman. Lakshman was Lord Rama's brother. They loved each other very much. Okay. So when Lord Rama was leaving for the exile for 14 years, he was going to the jungle. Lakshman said, brother, I will also come with you. Okay. And Lord Ram was going with whom? With his beloved Sita. Sita was the wife of Lord Rama. Okay. All right. And who took away Sita? Ravan. You know how did he take her away? He took her away in a Pushpak Viman like this. Can you see this Pushpak Viman? He made Sita, he abducted Sita, he made Sita sit on the Pushpak Viman and took her away. Okay, so this was the story of Ravan and this was the story of Ramayan. Okay, now all of you wear new clothes, put rangoli, light lamps and distribute sweets. But do not burst crackers, okay? Because that's one thing we don't want to do, to hurt and to pollute the environment. Is that clear? Okay? Ma'am, could you... Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you take over from here now, ma'am?
Okay, sure. So, Greg sir, if you would like some
ma'am.
children to speak up and what they learned.
I would also like
Definitely.
to how did I make this Ravana's puppet? Actually, yeah. So this is one of the seeds that I've taken. All of you can take the seed. आपके घर में छलनी होगी ना, जिससे मम्मा चाय छानती हैं, सूप छानती हैं, उससे आप लोग इसको बना सकते हैं अपने आप. ये देखिए छलनी को, ठीक है? आपने देखा? मैंने इसको पेंट किया है और उसके ऊपर आईज लगाई हैं, नोज लगाया है, मुस्टैशेस काट के लगाई हैं, एक क्राउन लगाया है, and I've made him wear the clothes. Okay. Now, what I've done is you can take a stick, or I've taken a file binder. You can take this, and what you could do is you can stick some faces of Ravan on this. And I made a hole over here. Look here. I made a hole. What I did was I burnt a knife, okay, a butter knife. I just put it on the hot gas stove, and I made a hole over here, an opening, so that I take this inside. Okay? Understood? यहाँ से हम लोगों ने इसको ले जाने के लिए opening बनाया है, and that's how we made the Ravana's face. So all of you try out making a puppet today. Okay? All right. So, and I'll also show you this Pushpak Viman. You should always use the waste lying around. Look at this. This is a plastic bottle. Can you see? This is a plastic bottle. If you could
Archana ma'am, please be on mute. Archana ma'am.
A plastic bottle has been taken, and I have stuck these things. To make these wings, I have stuck the paper plates, okay, and some foam. And this is a ball. Can you make out? This is a sponge smiley ball I've taken, okay, to make this Pushpak Viman, okay. And I made an opening here. Look at this. By again heating up the knife, I can make a handle over here, and they can take the Pushpak Viman wherever I want. Okay, this is how we make the puppets. Okay, and I can wear gloves just so that my hands are not seen. Okay, all right. So here we go. Also I would like to show you. I'm actually preparing one puppet show. I'll get back to you with that. It's on Ramayan. And here is the mop being converted into a puppet. This is So this is the puppet of Shrupnakha, Ravana's sister, Shrupnakha, okay, who transforms into a beautiful young woman, and when Lakshmana cuts her nose and ears, turns back into her real form. Okay, so this is how we make the puppets. So this has been made out of a mop. Okay, so this is how by making
Yes, Bharti ma'am, that was so creative. That was so creative. May I request all the children to remain quiet? Children, be on mute, please. Bharti ma'am, thank you so much for those wonderful and creative ideas, and they are really going to help our children because they are learning now how to make puppets in their classes, in art and design, and soon they are going to have Litventure, which is about language competition. They are going to narrate stories, table stories using puppets. So that's going to be really helpful to them. Thank you so much. Children, if you have any questions, one at a time, if you want to type it in the chat box, you're free to do. Let's take one child at a time. If you have any questions or any appreciation or anything that you want to share with us and with Bharti ma'am, please come on.
Ma'am, I'm going to make a puppet show for my family with a normal puppet. So I'm going to make some new kind of puppets, and then I'm going to add this frog puppet with it.
Wow, lovely. That's wonderful. Clap, clap, clap for you.
Thank you, Aditya. Anyone else?
Sir,
So what you
Did you learn?
I am.
Okay, Lekha, I'll ask you. Lekhansh.
Sir, how the coronavirus has made
Coronavirus.
We didn't get you properly.
Sir, I can tell.
how the coronavirus has made
Sir, I can tell.
Yeah, beta,
Yeah,
we'll give you everyone 1 minute. I think ma'am is trying
Sir,
to
I
ask how did you effect of coronavirus? Yeah.
Okay. So that girl
The-
wants to answer the question. Yeah, that girl wants to answer.
Ma'am. Yes, sir. Ma'am, this is a very nice puppet show.
Thank you.
Ah,
So, you know, I took the massage ball. Okay. Did you see? I just put, one more thing I would like to tell you, children. It's very important when you're making your puppets, how you place your eyes. Okay. If you're going to make an evil character, then you're going to use red as the base. Okay. Red or orange. Such colors will be used as the base of the eyes to make them look evil. Okay. आपको अगर राक्षस बनाना है, दैत्य बनाना है, कोई भयानक पात्र बनाना है, तो आप लोग रेड कलर का बेस यूज करेंगे आईज के लिए. And also whether your puppet is smiling or not, they're showing different emotions. Also, if you want to humanize the puppets, okay, this is very important. This much portion is very important. How you should depict in a puppet. Okay, if your eyes are very close to each other. Have you seen an angry bird? Angry bird has eyes just next to each other. So your puppet will look angry like this. Your eyebrows are like this. Your eyes are very close. It will look angry. If your eyes are slightly distant over here, it will look like a puppet. If your eyes are just slightly here, you know, it depends upon the placement. You can also add a white dot to your black pupil. It will make the eyes look happy. If you want to make it look innocent, you can add a light blue colored base to it. Then your puppet will look innocent. So you better just make sure that expression on your face, everything matters to make your character look lively. Okay? Okay? और वो जो मैंने कोरोना की जो पपेट बनाई है ना, उसको मसाज बॉल के साथ में, I just wore a glove and I put a massage ball and I just put her eyes on it. Okay? That's how we make puppet. Okay? Because corona cannot be seen. It's just a virus. We can make anything out of it. Okay? So that's how it has been made. Okay?
excellent ideas, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes.
Now tell me.
Akira,
and my sister had made many funny and interesting puppets. Now I am at my granny's home, so I could not bring it.
Okay, never mind. You can still make them. What you could do is, you can take any nice picture in your coloring book, take it, put it on maybe a cardboard, or mount it on a board, and then cut it after coloring it. And you can just put a stick behind it, like how I put a stick behind Sita's puppet. Okay? Yeah? Okay? So you can just put a satay stick or something, you know, whatever you have at home. Stick it with the tape and you can make a puppet. Now tell me, you all are going to look for one Ravana within you. All of you will think of one thing that you need to stop doing from today itself. Okay? आपके अंदर, सबके अंदर एक बुराई होती है. कोई झूठ बोलता है, कोई चोरी करता है, कोई बहुत मीठा खाता है, कोई मम्मा सुबह उठता नहीं है, देर से उठता है ना? तो ये सारे के सारे जितनी भी बुराइयां हैं ना, इसको हम लोग रावण कंसिडर करेंगे. And we are going to stop. Okay? We are going to kill that Ravana, means we are going to stop doing that bad practice and we are going to become a better person. Okay?
anyone else? Children?
Ma'am, how to make talking? Ma'am, I have some finger puppets. I can make for them.
Yes, you can make finger puppets very well. You just need to take chips of paper, draw faces on them, and then fold it. Okay? Put a tape, and then you can insert it inside your fingers. Okay? And make beautiful finger puppets. Okay? Make 5 finger puppets. Ram, Lakshman, Sita, Hanuman, and Ravan. Okay? Ari, I forgot to show you. I've got a Hanuman also. Because, yeah, here. Look at this. Can you see this Hanuman?
Ma'am, how did you make them all?
Come again, baby.
Ma'am, how to make talking puppets?
Yes, talking puppets. I can teach you some. I can. You have to insert your fingers inside, and then you have to make the puppets talk. I had them actually, but because I did not bring them down, I can. Will you give me a minute? I'll show you a talking puppet. Just give me a minute. Huh? Till then, you can talk amongst yourselves.
Okay. So children, if you have more questions, you can type. Meantime, we can read. We have 1 minute's time. Those who are able to type, you can type it in the chat box. And ma'am is going to give you answers to your questions. And so far, the session is so wonderful, enriching, and I've learned a lot. I hope you have learned a lot from this. Have you all? Okay.
Yes, Adya, keep yourself on mute. And children, write in the chat box, what is the Ravan inside you? What is one big bad habit you have which you would like to kill? So write that bad habit which you would like to kill. That habit is like a Ravan. So I will read in the chat box. Please type.
Ma'am,
Hi दोस्तों, कैसे हो? That's the talking to you. I was telling you all about. Can you see this? This puppet can actually talk. Can you see this?
ma'am, but how do they talk?
Yes, how do they talk? That there's a technique to it. I can teach you how to make these talking puppets. And this is again being made out of all waste. Can you make out? This is a socks. A pair of socks I had, so I thought this I could use. Okay, and these are the not Pepsi, but these are those iced tea bottle I bought. The cap or the lid of the iced tea bottle I've used for making these eyes. And these are the wires, cable wires I used. Okay, so this is Danny. Okay, Danny the dangerous cat. Okay, I've got some more. I've got something that I would like to show you. Do you all, whenever you go to these resorts and whenever you go for vacationing, your mama and papa take you to hotels, you get these chappals to wear, don't you? So I've made a puppet out of these chappals. Look at this here. Can you make out? This is a bird, a colorful bird with a crest on a head. Okay. So this is made out of a carpet slipper. Okay. So you all also can try out making different things. And I've got somebody again talking puppets and talking puppet. I have somebody here for you. Dinka chika, dinka chika, dinka chika, dinka chika, eh, 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 dinka chika, dinka chika, eh, 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 eh. मैं हूँ बॉबी प्यारा सा फ्रॉगी गोलू मोलू मुझे मम्मी कहे हे डिंक चिका डिंक चिका डिंक चिका डिंक चिका ए ए ए ए hey Bobby now say hi to everyone. Hi everybody.
Hi. Ma'am, can you make a story out of these puppets also?
Yeah, make a story out of anything. Okay, like for example,
Can you make it out of this frog puppet and that cat puppet and that owl puppet? Can you make a story out of them?
Yes, definitely I can make. Will you help me out making a story?
Yes.
Okay.
I did get another frog.
Okay. Arey, wow, you have a frog too. Okay, let's give it a name. We can give it a name. So my froggy's name is Bobby. Okay. About you? What's your froggy's name? First of all, give it a name.
Hi, Bobby. Diggy. Hi, Bobby. Diggy.
Ma'am, it is doggy or frog.
His name is already written there, but I don't.
Never mind. You can name. You can give it a huh?
Diggy.
Biggie. Okay. So Biggie and Bobby are brothers. Okay. Biggie and Bobby are brothers. Okay. So we can make a story out of anything. So Biggie was a
And Biggie went to another country, so did Bobby.
okay, fine. So they are two brothers living in two different countries. Okay. Now Bobby was a very, very nice baby froggy. But he had this one very bad thing. Can you tell me what was it?
Don't know.
You don't know? Anybody?
No.
Very
Okay.
lazy.
नाचूं गाऊं खुशी मनाऊं बारिश की बूंदें मुझे अच्छी लगे हे ढिंक चिका ढिंक चिका ढिंक चिका ढिंक चिका ए ए ए ए ए ए ए ए. So Bobby loved to get wet in the rain, and Mama used to say, Bobby, please take an umbrella, please wear a raincoat, and Bobby wouldn't listen. So you know what Bobby started doing the next day? Achoo! Achoo! Oh, Mama, I'm feeling so feverish. And it was Bobby's birthday. Guess what? Mama said, you please take some soup and you'll be all right. Okay? So we can make a story, a nice storyline. Next time I meet your froggy, Biggie, and Bobby, together we'll make a nice story. Okay? Bobby, you also look for a Ravana. Okay? Within you, look for a Ravana. And now, children, I'm giving you a nice homework, a nice assignment. Take a nice big balloon. Over that, you write down what is one thing that you need to change about yourself. And like how we kill Ravana, how we burn the effigy, we are going to burst the balloon. Okay? You can even take a toothpick and burst it. That's all you have to do. And from tomorrow onwards, you'll be a new person. Supposing if you eat too many chocolates, you say, eating chocolates, I'm going to give up now and burst the balloon. From tomorrow, no eating chocolates or eating chocolates in moderation. That's it. Okay? And now, I'm into yourself.
Ma'am, you're
Thank you so much.
creative.
I didn't get
She said you are
So,
very creative.
Ma'am,
Yes, baby.
I like your puppets.
Thank you, baby. I like you too. Okay? And you also come and show me, okay? Very soon.
Ma'am, I have
You
a
also
dog
said you are
one.
very creative.
Dad, I have a puppet. Dog, it is a not puppet. It is a not puppet.
Okay, okay, children. Okay.
I'm serious.
All right.
I have a old baby.
Quiet. We are not going. Children, wait. We are not going.
Shobit, Hriday, Kayan, we are not leaving. You all need to wait. Wait. Please mute yourself and wait.
Children,
Everybody will be waiting until
ma'am-
unless we don't tell you.
children, did ma'am tell you that we are leaving now? No, she did not say. Ask me to. Right? Wait. Ma'am, children said you are very creative. Very true. So creative. All right, children, be on mute.
And we didn't get to do our puppet.
Adya, mute yourself. Adya.
Okay, mute.
Adya, mute.
Yes.
Yes. Now I request Principal Ma'am to please address this wonderful session.
Namaste, Bharti ma'am. I must really salute you. Children, you don't know that ma'am is not keeping well. Ma'am is back from a trek and then she got fever. She is still not well, but she did not want to disappoint us, disappoint the children mainly. And I salute your courage and your passion for storytelling and for your love for children. So thank you so much. You made this day so beautiful. I wish that you get well soon. Your smile is so beautiful, but I can see that you have to force yourself for it today because you are not keeping well. So we all send our love, we all send our best wishes to you. It was a fantastic show. You are a very creative person and we all have been greatly influenced. Thank you once again, ma'am, from Ram Ratna International School, and we look forward to having you again in the future. Take care of yourself. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, children.
Thank you, Principal ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And as ma'am said, and all the children said, you are very creative, and it's so evident. And you are not well, but it never looked like you were not well. I mean, you were full of energy. The energy which is so infectious, and I'm charged up. I'm sure my children are charged up, and everyone. And the songs that you have selected are so catchy. I mean, the Sound of Music, the song that you used, the few of my favorite things, and I mean that's so creative, and we would definitely start using such songs, for making our stories very, very interesting and attractive. Thank you so much on behalf of the entire staff of Ram Ratna International School, the management committee, and the teachers. I would like to extend a very heartfelt thanks to Bharti Mohan ma'am for being there and training us and giving this experience of lifetime, I would say, because we enjoyed thoroughly to the core. Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a great day and take care of your health. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.